I went to Trader Joe's and dove headfirst into the fall madness, buying some of their most hyped up seasonal items and some of my fall friendly favorites. We've got it all, from appetizers to the legendary pumpkin spice cake and even a little something for my dog. I spent my money so you don't have to waste yours. And let me tell you, some of these were so good, I'm literally going back for more tomorrow. But a few failed to hit the mark. So in this brutally honest review, I'm telling you exactly what's worth your money and what you should absolutely skip this fall. Let's get into it. First, we have to survive the store itself. The second you walk into a Trader Joe's in autumn, you get hit with a wall of cinnamon broom smell and a sea of pumpkin-themed everything. It's magical, and let's be honest, a little overwhelming. We navigated the packed aisles, resisted the urge to buy one of everything, and secured the goods. The mission was a success, and now for the moment of truth. We're back in my kitchen. Now it's time to see what's what. First up, we have the pastry bites with feta cheese and caramelized onions. These are a fan favorite for a reason. You get 12 of these puff pastry cups in a box, and they look way more elegant than a frozen appetizer has any right to. I baked them exactly as the package said, and my kitchen smells incredible. They're golden, flaky, and the filling is bubbling just a little bit. Okay, first bite. You get the crispy, buttery pastry, then this sharp, salty punch from the feta, which is immediately balanced by the sweet, jammy, caramelized onions. I've seen some reviews say they can look messy, but who cares when they taste this good? These are almost too good. A definite top tier product. Verdict, absolute must buy. Perfect for any fall party or just for yourself on a Tuesday night. Next, an item that causes a lot of drama online. Number 2, the butternut squash mac and cheese. In theory, this is the perfect fall food. The iconic mac and cheese with the addition of butternut squash and fall spices. What could go wrong, right? I cooked it up just as the box recommended. It's very hot, so it's hard to hold. Oh, looks pretty cheesy. Let's try this out. It's interesting. I'm getting a lot of Thanksgiving stuffing flavors, fall spices. I'm not getting a lot of the butternut squash flavor though. There is some cheesiness. Wouldn't say it's bland like other people are saying online. Verdict, it's a skip for me. If you like the regular mac and cheese and you like fall flavors, then get this. But don't expect a lot of the butternut squash flavor. Hey, if you're liking what you're seeing right now, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, back to the show. Okay, palate cleanser time with something savory and classic. The steamed pork and ginger soup dumplings. So are these a fall item? Not technically, but they are the ultimate comfort food for a chilly fall night. So I'm counting them. These are a permanent resident in my freezer. The trick is to steam them just right, so you get that perfect savory broth when you bite in. Okay, here we go. The pork filling is rich and flavorful. You get that ginger pork broth. They are just so deeply satisfying. There's a reason these are always Trader Joe's most popular items. They're simple, delicious, and feel like a warm hug in food form. For a cozy appetizer or a light meal, you just can't lose with these. Verdict, always a must buy. A year-round staple that just hits different in the fall. All right, next up, number 4, Gochujang, Korean fermented red pepper paste. Let's open it up. Here it is. It's sweet, it's savory, it's spicy. It's just the right balance, really. And it can go on anything. In fact, to test this out properly, we're actually gonna take one of our dumplings here and I'm gonna put a little on top. All right, let's see how this tastes. Oh my God. That is so good. What more can I say about this? Okay, here is my hot take for the season. Gochujang. Hear me out. Is it a traditional fall flavor? Absolutely not. But fall's the season for roasting, braising, and making big, hearty stews, right? And gochujang is a secret weapon to make all of it 10 times better. This Korean fermented chili paste has this deep, savory, and slightly sweet flavor to it. It adds an incredible umami richness to everything. Think about adding a spoonful to your roasted butternut squash. Mixing it into your glaze for your chicken wings on game day. Or stirring it into a beef stew. That sounds good. Gives you this complex warmth that goes far beyond basic pumpkin spice. If you like a little adventure in your cooking, this is how you elevate your fall game. Verdict? Absolute must buy. Keep it in your fridge and be ready to pair it with anything you have. Not seasonal, but a total fall upgrade. While in the freezer aisle, let's grab another classic. Pork Gyoza pot stickers. Like the soup dumplings, these are a freezer must-have. especially for a quick, comforting meal on a cold night. Pan fry them in oil, then you add water to steam them. This gives them an amazing texture. Crispy and golden on the bottom, but soft and chewy on top. The savory pork and veggie filling is juicy and flavorful. Paired with a little soy ginger dipping sauce, they're fantastic. Now, I do have one little hunch here. What if I were to take Gochujang and try that with this? How would that taste? Yes. Verdict? Absolute must buy. Another year-round hero that feels extra right for fall. Number 6 and 7, pub cheese and pretzel slims. Have you tried these? We've got the classic Trader Joe's pub cheese. It's a whipped cheese spread. It's tangy, creamy, and it's intensely cheesy. And we're pairing it with these pretzel slims. Let's talk about the pretzels first, okay? Very thin by themselves. They're crunchy, light, and very easy to snack on. Now, what happens when we dip them into the pub cheese? Let's find out. Whoa, this is what they exist for. The sharp, tangy cheddar and the crispy, malty flavor of the pretzel thins. It reminds me of those Kraft cheese and crackers that I loved as a kid, only kicked up 100 notches. The pub cheese is fantastic. The pretzel slims are an extremely satisfying, crunchy snack, but together, a resounding yes. Verdict? Pub cheese is a must-buy. Pretzel slims are a must-buy. Together, always keep them stocked. Unless you're on a diet, then don't. Now let's talk about these pretzels. Number 8, pumpkin spice pretzel thins. These pretzels are a phenomenon. People either love them or they hate them. Let's open the bag. It looks more like a candy than a pretzel. First bite, it is very sweet. Sort of like white chocolate at the start. A little, very mild pumpkin spice. There's a little crunch from the pumpkin seeds on there. And you do get that salty, crunchy base from the pretzel. For me, they lose points because I'm not getting enough pumpkin spice on this for what it is. Pretty good balance between sweet and salty. But honestly, I'm gonna tell you, not my thing. Verdict? I'm gonna say it's no buy for me. I thought I would like these more than I do. Stop kicking me in the face with fall flavor. Time to do some baking. This is the classic pumpkin bread and muffin mix. Trader Joe's sells a pre-made loaf, but trust me, the mix is always better. My secret is to add 2 teaspoons of Trader Joe's own pumpkin pie spice right into the mix. Otherwise, the pumpkin flavor is just too subtle. It makes all the difference, and it really boosts that cozy fall taste. It's ridiculously easy. Just add eggs, water, and oil. I baked it as a loaf, and my entire house smells like a fall fantasy. Let's look at it. The texture is perfect. It's incredibly soft, buttery, and so moist. Not dry, not dense, just right. All right, time to taste. Here we go. It's all the things. It's moist. It's tender, and that spice we added really complements the pumpkin flavor, and it makes it what I feel it should have always been. Verdict? Must buy, with that little addition. Easy, cheap, and better than scratch with that extra spice. Let's take a quick break from pumpkin with another frozen legend, the Chocolate Croissants. The only work you do is let them sit out overnight to proof. Makes you feel very French. And bake in the morning. Easy as that. When they come out of the oven, they're so puffed, golden, and flaky, you can hear the crunch. Look at this. Isn't that a beauty? Let's do a quick taste. Okay, here we go. You hear that crunch? All right, I squished it a little bit. Look at that. Let's try it. You got the flaky, crispy outer shell. Inside, it's very layered. You got the dark chocolate inside. Goes so well and complements the sweet butteriness of the dough. Honestly, tastes bakery quality. For a fall weekend breakfast, these are an absolute showstopper. Verdict? Must buy. 1,000 times yes. One of the best products TJ sells. And I've had a lot of their products. The legend, pumpkin spice mini sheet cake with cream cheese frosting. The hype is next level. Moist tender cake with perfect spice. That thick frosting layer, sweet but tangy, perfectly balanced. Believe the hype. This is one of the best fall desserts you can buy anywhere. Give it a taste. Here we go. How's that look? Yes. Now I'm instantly getting the pumpkin and the spices. They don't drown out the pumpkin. They complement it. Verdict? Run, don't walk. Absolute buy. I've read on online forums that this sells out quickly. So get in there to your Trader Joe's and pick up this cake. I couldn't forget my #1 taste tester. Number 13, pumpkin maple bacon Stuffies for dogs. They smell amazing. Pumpkin, with maple bacon. What's not to love? My pup sniffed, grabbed, and bolted. In dog language, 5 stars. Verdict, must buy for your dog. Quick recap. Top tier must buys. Pumpkin spice mini sheet cake, pastry bites with feta and onions, and chocolate croissants. Biggest skip, butternut squash mac and cheese. And, if I'm brutally honest again, pumpkin spice teeny tiny pretzels. I just didn't get them. Trader Joe's fall haul is wild, but hopefully this helps you figure out what's worth grabbing. If you enjoyed, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.